If you've ever sat there staring at Etsy listings thinking everything's already been done, I'll never stand out, this one's for you. Because today, I'm gonna show you how to find a niche that still has huge demand, use real data from EverBee to back it up, and then design something simple but meaningful using Playground. We're talking about products that actually sell here, not just cute ideas that sit in your shop collecting digital dust. And I'll show you how to get it all up on Etsy with Printify so it's ready to go without touching a single box or bubble mailer. Yeah, you're not shipping anything yourself. This isn't some hypothetical fluff, it's a real walkthrough of a niche that's working right now. So if you're ready to finally stop guessing and start making stuff that connects with people and sells, let's dive in. All right, so the niche we're gonna focus on today is pet memorial gifts. Yeah, I know it sounds a little heavy, but hear me out. This niche is packed with emotion, which means people aren't just scrolling for fun. They're looking to buy something meaningful. And when people are grieving a pet, they want something personal to remember them by. That's where you come in. So I fired up EverBee and searched pet memorial gift. And here's what I found. Listings with thousands of sales, monthly revenues in the thousands, and personalized gifts that people are spending 30 to 40 bucks for without thinking twice about it. Let's break down a few things I noticed right away. Dog memorial gift here gets over 3,000 searches a month. Pet sympathy gift is another big one. And anything with custom pet portraits, people are eating those up. Even better is some of the best sellers are so simple. Paw print, a name, a short quote, boom, done. And the competition's not bad if you go more specific. Like instead of just pet memorial, try something like custom pet remembrance frame or loss of dog gift for friend. Way fewer listings. So much easier to stand out. The point is you don't have to reinvent the wheel here. Just look at what's already working and put your own spin on it. All right, now that we got the niche data to back it up, let's move on to designing something for it. All right, quick heads up, my Inner Circle membership is opening next week and we've been going hard in there. This week alone, we had Philip Anderson who analyzed a bunch of different AIs and talked pricing and strategy and basically went over all the bang for buck. And Chris Heckman will be here Friday to drop some Shopify knowledge bombs. Next week, another special guest plus some heavy discounts for members. And right now, at the time you see this, you can get 45% off, which is just 37 bucks instead of the usual 67, but only for a limited time. So now that we know the niche is solid, it's time to make a design that will actually connect with people. Because if it doesn't resonate emotionally and it's not designed intentionally, it won't sell. For this, I'm using Playground. Playground makes it super easy to test different styles and get a clean, high-res design really fast. We're gonna create a pet memorial wall print, framed art that someone can hang up to remember their dog or cat. You don't need anything crazy here. In fact, best sellers in this niche are super simple. Here's what we're doing. A clean background, so think soft, neutral colors. A space for a pet's photo that will turn into either a painting style portrait or a simple line drawing. Their name in a clean and clear, easily digestible, readable font, and maybe a small detail like a paw print or a halo or heart icon or something like that to tug on those heartstrings. That's it. Clean, professional, and heartfelt. So in Playground, I'll start with something simple like a vertical canvas here. 8x10 or 12x16. Just make sure it's 300 DPI and sized right for Printify later. I'll start by clicking Upload and Edit Image here in the top left. I'll select the image for reference. Then I'll just type my simple prompt, like make it a light colored watercolor painting of my dog. Add his name, Tonka, and a tiny heart in brushstrokes in the bottom right. And see what we get here. And boom, look at this. Playground absolutely nailed it. We can also try another one. Let's go with art and scroll. Oh, there's a cat. Oh, sweet. Let's make it a Starry Night one. And let's try one more. Then we'll click Export up here in the top right, upscale by 4x, and then download upscaled. And just like that, Bob's your uncle. And now we're ready to bring it to life with Printify. All right, time to bring this thing to life here. So I'm gonna head over to Printify, choose a product that makes sense for this niche. I think for pet memorials, obviously we talked about going with canvas print. It has a high perceived value, which is a massive bonus, and it's super giftable, which matters, absolutely matters in this niche. In Printify, I'll upload the design we just made, center it up here, and make sure it looks solid on all the mockups. Then I'll hit publish to Etsy, and then Printify will push everything over automatically, but don't skip the next part here. Your Etsy listing needs to speak to the people who are hurting. So here's what I do. You can add a title like custom pet memorial portrait, personalized dog loss gift, watercolor pet remembrance print. Stack a few keywords, but make it readable and digestible at a glance. In the description here, kind of speak to the emotional side, right? With a call to action. Like, this print is a personalized way to honor the memory of a beloved pet. Each one is custom made using a photo and turned into a soft watercolor style portrait with their name. And then for the tags, I would use tags like pet memorial gift, dog loss gift, pet remembrance print, watercolor pet portrait, in memory of dog, rainbow bridge art, in memory of dog if it has less than 20 characters, which it does, yep. Rainbow bridge art. Now don't overthink this. Just describe what the customer would type if they were looking for it. Then we can set your price based on your costs. Most sellers are charging between 30 and 35 for the 16 by 24, but ours are worth more because we're tugging extra hard on those heartstrings and we actually want to make money. So let's go with 45. But depending on the size and style, you might want to leave a little more margin to actually profit here, right? Especially when you're running a sale. And you can very easily use EverBee's pricing calculator right in your Etsy window here if you add their Chrome extension. Then you hit publish and you are in business. We just went from niche research to design to a live product on Etsy, and you didn't need to be a designer, a coder, or some Etsy wizard to make it happen. The nice thing here is that this is the kind of stuff that literally sells year round because it actually means something to the buyer. Even if they're not buying it for themselves, they're going to be buying it for gifts for other people, right? The people they're close to. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps push the video to more people who need it. And if you want more walkthroughs like this with zero fluff and all real deal, make sure you're subscribed, and if you're serious about growing your POD biz and you want to be part of the most supportive and no BS print-on-demand community out there, come check it out. The link is below. Drop me a comment if you try this niche or if you have one you want me to dig into next time. See you in the next one.